It takes heart, it takes hurt, it takes art, but I can heal. It takes years, it takes fears, it makes tears, but I can heal. It takes change, it takes range, it feels strange, but I can heal. I can heal, I can mend, I can make it to the end. I can heal, I can mend, I can make it to the end. It takes death and rebirth to lift the curse, but I can heal. It takes flow, it moves slow, may not show, but I can heal. It takes days and days and nights, it takes lows and it takes heights. I can heal, I can mend, I can make it to the
Okay,
end.
hey guys, so I know I look a little rough. I've just been doing stuff all morning. So I want to just touch on the workout I just did not too long ago. First of all, I have not worked out in months, like other than yoga, and I haven't done yoga before Christmas. So I'm just really like weak right now. I couldn't do it, man. Like, it's sad. My intention really wasn't to start working out again. It's more just like I want to start moving my body. By telling myself to just do a few exercises, 10 to 15 minutes, it's so much easier for me to be like, okay, cool. Because for me, sometimes I get stuck up on what I have to do and the expectations I set for myself, and working out has always just been, for me in the past, going to the gym for an hour or two, lifting, doing supersets, and then doing cardio and making sure I hit everything every week. I think we make things harder than it needs to be, and working out doesn't have to be an hour-long process, you know. Just make sure that you move your body for 15 minutes, and I think we all can commit to that. So for this part of the video, I wanted to show you guys like what I eat. It's kind of like a roadblock for me sometimes, and I was going to buy more of my protein powder that you guys seen in my what I eat in the day, gluten-free and dairy-free. It is from Blessed Protein. It is a vegan protein to eat in the mornings or your lunch. Protein shakes are just so easy. That's just the best thing to do, just, you know, trying to get that reset and have that routine going again, because you don't have to think about it and it tastes good. So what I'm doing right now, and this is kind of the first time I've ever done this because it just kind of came to me. I'm like, wow, I feel like this would help me. But I just have a little to-do planner, and I'm going to write down all of the things I can have. Over the holidays, I have cheated and had things with gluten, and I feel like crap. And my face is showing that as well. Most of the time, in the mornings, I eat bacon. Yeah, so I can have bacon, I can have salads. I just always forget. Avocados. I always buy avocados and they go bad, but you know, I could do, you know, just slice them up and put some salt on it. Or I could attempt to make guacamole and eat it with some zucchini chips, which is really good. And I never do it. Zucchini chips are really good, actually. Chicken with peppers is really freaking good, and it's simple. Peppers. And if I want rice with those things, cauliflower rice, even better. I think maybe I should get on Pinterest and get some ideas, but honestly, like chicken and like green beans is real simple for me. you know, simple things I can do. Maybe put some cucumber in water. That'd be good. This is really random, right? What can I eat? Cucumbers and water. Great. So if you're trying to change your food habits, or maybe you're starting a new diet for the new year, I think this will be a really good idea for a lot of you. And have it somewhere where, like in your kitchen, on your fridge, where you can look at it when you go to open up the fridge. Because I think when we start diets or lifestyle changes, we instantly think of the things we have to give up. I just think this will be a really simple reminder of things we can have. And maybe if it's a whole lifestyle change you're making, write the why down. Like, why do you want to do this? It's because you're gonna feel like shit the next day. I need to write that down. Hey Madyson, you had gluten yesterday and you felt like shit. This is Madyson from yesterday telling you not to do it today. Like, I need a reminder, because I'm always like, okay, well I feel good now, so and then I regret it. So anyways, try this out. Let me know if it helps. I'll let you guys know if it helps too.
The nights will be haunted by the clanging of the coast of rush, and our worlds are sad and down, and the Mars will taunt us with our dreams just turned to dust. But you can't tell where it began. No one's in the sky, all the stars will never see. Never give with me, all those kisses will never breathe.
Today's video is just me explaining a few things that I'm doing to try to get back into routine, have a healthy restart for 2021, and just get back into the flow of things. This is something that I've been trying to do for a while now, and then holidays hit and I was just like, well, I give up. Because we all can agree that the holidays take a toll on us, and you know, we're binge eating, we are just not even having a routine at all, we're staying up late, we are just completely throwing out our everyday schedule for like 2 weeks, because then it's Christmas and then it's New Year's, and then my brother's birthday is a day after New Year's, so it's just like boom. And at that point, I'm just ready to like get back into like healthy lifestyle living, because I can't function very well. So just some things, these are in order. What I've been trying to do is get back on a nice sleeping schedule. I've been trying to go to bed early. I don't have a set routine. Like I said, I will do a winter morning routine or something like that for you guys if you're interested. I'm really wanting to get up early, because when I get up early, I feel like I get more stuff done and I feel better, and I just feel like the day goes smoother and I just feel like I've accomplished something. Because usually when I wake up late, I feel like I'm just like rushing to do one thing. And that's great if that is where you're at, but for me, I've been living that for a while and I just really want to get into a more productive routine. So I've been trying to like stay off my phone at night and read and just get into the mode of like, hey, I'm going to sleep. So that's been helping, other than I've been having insomnia, so that kind of sucks. But other than that, that's what I've been doing, and it's nice to finally get back into reading. And I try to look at my planner before bed as well, just to plan out my day ahead. And I look at my planner in the morning to remind me of what I want to do. I have my whiteboard on the wall that I like to write things down the night before so I can look at it when I wake up in the morning and be reminded, because I need multiple reminders. Like I said, I don't have a set routine in the morning, so if I'm really tired, I would try to maybe get in the shower first or just move a little bit. I know I already touched on this, but trying to make things simple and not complicate them is just what I'm trying to do right now. So instead of being like, okay, I need to do this, this, and this when I wake up in the morning, I'm just trying to be intuitive. I've always been like that. Like, I do what I feel is right. I know that when I try to drastically change things and try to flip that switch, like it's that easy. Let's be real. Everyone going into 2021 or a new year, it's not gonna be that easy. You're not gonna just be this new person, right? Like we want to be. There's work that needs to be done, and stuff from the last year is gonna follow us. It is what it is. But wherever I'm at in life, when I try to drastically change things, it overwhelms me to the point where I shut down and I don't do it. Making things easier. Have meals kind of thought out maybe the night before, or just eat really simple. I feel like that's the easiest thing to do when you're trying to like get back into a healthy routine, or really just like keep that routine alive. Because for me, if I complicate what I need to make, I just won't like eat, or I will go eat something I shouldn't eat. So keeping it really simple, write down things that you can eat and you can have and that you can look forward to. But yeah, that's basically the gist of this video. I don't want to go too much into detail, but like I said, just trying to do those little things. I still just really want to stress that this is not an overnight process. It's not just easy to flip a switch and just be this new person. Like, it's little things you have to do every day, and don't beat yourself up when, you know, you have something you shouldn't have had that day. Like, the day that I didn't wake up on time, I had a Coke from McDonald's. The point is, we make mistakes and that's okay. Like, that's the point of trying to have this healthy reset. Yes, we can hit the reset button. That does not mean it's just gonna disappear, okay? Like, our habits, our cravings, it's a process, my friends. So that's what I just really want to get across. And also, I forgot to share that listening to motivating content like videos like this, no, I'm not gonna toot my own horn, but watching, you know, health and fitness videos or listening to podcasts really get me going. Reading this book, like, it has made my mood so much better. It's raised my vibration and I just feel good for the next day, and it makes me want to build on that foundation that I'm building. Yeah, that's a great example. We are just laying the bricks of the foundation and we're building off that. It's okay if a brick falls down, we'll just put it back up, okay? Like, just don't stress it too much. But I don't want to talk too much. I'm trying to like not make all my videos so freaking long. That's a struggle because I talk too much. Anyways, hopefully this was a little motivating or helpful. If not anything, maybe entertaining. I love you guys all so much. Please thumbs up the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.